Tadera Ross, thank you very much for joining us to talk about this intersection of green chemistry and environmental justice. How is it that those two come together? What is this intersection of those two?
Yeah, so when I think about that intersection, one of the key things that I always try to consider is that environmental justice communities, we know they're the first impacted by all of the environmental harm we see from pollution to toxic waste. And I think that when the people closest to the problem are also closest to the solution. So as green chemists, we're always looking for the solution. We're trying to figure out how can we make change with our research, with the chemistry that we do. How do we design chemicals better? How do we do processes better? So going to those communities is central for us to really up with impactful solutions.
Fantastic. Now, you come to this work through very direct experiences in your own life, both in terms of environmental justice and green chemistry. Can you tell us about those experiences that brought you to this work?
Yeah, so I'm originally from Atlanta, Georgia. I grew up about 5 minutes away from the airport. So being near the airport, there's a lot of different airplanes going overhead, CO2 emissions. So I've always been very passionate about the environment and how it impacts communities. And for me, when I entered into high school, I was also passionate about science. And I had a really great chemistry teacher, and she was able to tell me about green chemistry. And that really ignited my passion to figure out what I could do in this space using my science skills. And so from there, the rest is basically history. I have my PhD in green chemistry. And along the way, I really was able to find out that green chemistry is the solution to environmental justice issues.
Wonderful. Well, thank you very much. And again, best wishes for your work.
Thanks. Thank you for having me.